Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Dear students, as you all know, we are doing Unit 8 decimals of your NCERT book, and till now we have done 8.1 exercise and 8.2. I hope all the questions are clear to you. My videos are helping you to clear the concepts about the decimals. Dear students, today we are going to start 8.3 exercise, and there are only two questions in this exercise, and that too only to compare the decimal numbers. Means we have to compare the numbers, that which one is greater and which one is smaller. So let me explain you the concept, that how will you be able to compare the decimal numbers. So here we start. Now dear students, the question is, which is greater? So few decimal numbers are given to you. In each part two decimal numbers are given to you. So how to compare them, and before comparing, what is the step to be followed? So let us see that step. So dear students, before starting the exercise, if you like my videos, like, share and comment on the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start question number 1. Dear students, before doing question number 1, note down this cloud in your notebook and in the same form. What you have to write in this, that before comparing, means before finding out which one is greater, write both terms in like decimals. In like decimals. What does it mean? That if you look at these two numbers, हमें देखना है कि अगर हमारे फर्स्ट डेसिमल नंबर में हमें वंस डिजिट दे रखी है बिफोर द डेसिमल, और आफ्टर द डेसिमल वी हैव 10th प्लेस, तो इसमें भी हमारे पास वी मस्ट हैव वंस डिजिट एज वेल एज 10th डिजिट, तो हमारे पास सेम होना चाहिए. लाइक नाउ बिफोर द डेसिमल अ डिजिट इज़ देयर, हेयर ऑल्सो अ डिजिट इज़ देयर. After the decimal a digit is there, after a decimal a digit is there. That means these two numbers, these two terms are like decimals. Now let us compare. Now while comparing, अब आपने देखा है that the decimals are like. Now we will start with the first digit. जो भी हमारी first digit होगी, like here the first digit is of ones place. तो यहाँ पर वंस प्लेस के डिजिट क्या है? 0. यहाँ भी वंस प्लेस के डिजिट क्या है? 0. मीन्स दिस विल नॉट हेल्प अस इन कंपेयरिंग. अगर इक्वल होती हैं तो हम इनसे नहीं पता लगा सकते दैट विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर. देन व्हाट वी विल डू, देन अ डेसिमल इज़ देयर, तो हम अभी छोड़ देंगे इसे. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट डिजिट. सो नेक्स्ट डिजिट इज़ आफ्टर द डेसिमल, तो यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट डिजिट क्या है? 3, और यहाँ क्या है? 4. नाउ कंपेयर द टू. 0 इज़ इक्वल, तो उससे हमें नहीं पता चला. देन वी मूव्ड ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट पर चले जाना है. सो नाउ आउट ऑफ 3 and 4, विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर? यू नो 4 इज़ ग्रेटर, सो वी विल राइट 0.3 and 0.4, एंड आउट ऑफ दीज टू विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर? जो ग्रेटर होगा उसके सामने ग्रेटर फेस बना देना है. दिस ओपन फेस क्या बना देना है? ग्रेटर फेस. जो ग्रेटर है उसकी तरफ ग्रेटर माउथ, और जो स्मॉलर है उसके तरफ स्मॉलर माउथ. और हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? और वी कैन राइट 0.4 इज ग्रेटर दैन 0.3. राइट. नाउ लेट अस डू द बी पार्ट. In B part we have decimal numbers 0.7 or 0.02. 0.7 and 0.2. So let us check whether these are like decimals or not. तो उसके लिए हम चेक करते हैं. A decimal is there. Before a decimal, decimal से पहले a digit is there, यहाँ भी है. After a decimal, after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 2 digits, that means this is again a like decimal. तो अब हम कंपेयर करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लुक एट द फर्स्ट डिजिट. इक्वल, तो हम इससे नहीं पता लगा पाएंगे. दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0, बोथ आर इक्वल. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू सेकेंड. आफ्टर द डेसिमल 10th प्लेस, दिस इज 10th. तो 10th भी क्या है? 0 0, अगेन इक्वल, मीन्स हम इसकी भी हेल्प नहीं ले सकते. देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट डिजिट. दिस इज 7, दिस इज 2. नाउ विच वन इज ग्रेटर? ऑफ कोर्स 7. सो वी विल मार्क 0.07 and 0.02, and out of the two which one is greater? 7 is greater. तो हम इसकी तरफ ग्रेटर साइन लगा देंगे एंड दूसरे की तरफ स्मॉलर. राइट. नाउ सी पार्ट. सी इज 3 और 0.8, 3 और 0.8, like this. So first of all let us make the decimal equals like decimals. Now dear students, as you can see, this is a whole number without decimal and this is a decimal number. तो हमें इसे भी decimal number बनाना है to make it like decimal, as I told you, like decimal. तो इसे decimal बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? we'll write 3, हम decimal ले लेंगे and after decimal if no digit is there we can place a 0, right? और ये क्या आ जाएगा? 0.8. Now let us see whether they are like decimals or not. Yes, they are like. Why? Because before a decimal a digit is there, after a decimal one digit is there. So now they are like. So now let us see which one is greater. So first of all we will check the digit at ones place. यहाँ ones place के digit कौन है? 3. यहाँ क्या है? 0. So अगर हमारी ones digit ऐसे है, no need to check the other digit, हम पहली digit से ही काम चलाएंगे. So out of 3 and 0 which is greater? 3. So we will write 3.40 is greater than 0.8 and we'll put greater sign towards 3. So clear? Now D part. D part is 0.5 or 0.05, right? So again before the decimal 1 0 is there, before the decimal 1 0, right? After the decimal one digit is there, only one digit. But in this number after decimal we have two digits, दो digits हैं. So we have to make them like first of all. तो like बनाने के लिए हम पीछे 0 लगा सकते हैं. तो क्या लिख देंगे? 50 और 0.05. Now you can see 1 2 3 digits, 1 2 3, before decimal 1, before decimal 1, after decimal 2 digits, 2 digits. Now let us start comparing. So compare it from the starting. First digit 0, first digit 0. तो इससे नहीं पता चलेगा. So now let's move on to the second one. Second is 5, 10th place digit is 5, here it is 0. So now which is greater? Yeah, this one. So we will mark 0.50 is greater than 0.5. So we will take like this, right? So now E part. E is 1.23 or 1.2. So first of all check the number of digits. 1 2 3 1 2, only two digits, only 3. So before decimal one digit is there, before decimal one digit. But in this number after decimal two digits are there, here after decimal only one digit. So both are not like decimals, so place a 0. Now after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 2. So let us start comparing. Start with the beginning one. 1 1 equal. Then jump to the second one. After the decimal 2 2 again equal. Then move on to the third digit. 3 and 0. So out of 3 and 0, which one is greater? Yeah, 3 is greater. So which is greater number? 1.23 is greater than, so we will write is greater than 1.20, right? So now next, let us take the next one. F 0.099 or 0.19. Now count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Are they like decimals? No. First make them like. Now here before decimal 0 is there before, yes. But after decimal 10th digit is 0. Here 10th digit is 1. 100th digit is 9. 100th digit is 9. But here 1000th digit is given to us. Here 1000 digit is missing. So we'll take 0. Right? So we'll make them like terms by placing a 0 after this. Right? Now let us compare. First digit 0, 0 equal. Then after decimal 0, 1. 0, 1. No need to look at the remaining numbers. अगर हमें इसी से पता चल जाता है कौन सा greater है. So out of 0 and 1, which one is greater? 1 is greater. That means 0.099 is smaller than 0.190. So we'll write 0.099. So out of 0 and 1, 1 is greater. So we'll write greater sign towards this number, right? So similarly FG, G is 1.5 or 1.50. Count the number of digits. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Unequal, make them like decimals. So, ones digit 1, ones digit 1. 10th digit 5, 10th digit 5. Here, 100th digit is missing. Here it is there. So, let us take it as 0 or 0. Now, let us compare. Ones digit equal. Jump to the next one. 10th digit 5, 5 equal. Then jump to the 100th digit 0, 0. That too equal. That means सारी digits equal हैं. Means out of these two numbers both are, these are equal numbers. So dear students, I hope all the parts are easy for you and clear to you. First step, remember what you have to remember, that before comparing write both the terms in like decimals. Like यहाँ 3 digit थे, यहाँ 2 थे, यहाँ 3. So first make them like this. Then compare one by one. So dear students, H part, let us count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 digit before the decimal, 1 digit before. 3 digits after, 3 digits after. That means these are like decimals. So let us start comparing. Now just check the first digit, ones digit. Both are equal. Jump to the next one. 10th digit 4, 4. Again equal. Jump to 100th digit 3, 9. Yes, out of these two, which one is greater? Yeah, 9. So we will write 1.490 is greater than 1.430. 431. Let's next part, I part. How many digits? 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. They are not equal. So here before the decimal, one digit before decimal 1. 1/10th digit is there, 10th. Now here 100th and 1000 digits are missing. Here they are. So let us place zeros. Now let us start comparing. 1st digit 33 equal. 10th digit 33 equal. 100th digit 00 equal. 1000 digit 00 equal. That means both the numbers are equal numbers. So we will put equal to sign between them. Right? Now J part. Count the digits 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not like decimals. So let us make them like. 1's digit there, 1's there. 10th, 10th. 100th, 100th. 1000 digit is missing. Here it is 3. So we will take 0. So 5.640 or 5.603. Now let us compare. 1's digit 5 equal. 10th digit 6 equal. 100th digit it is 4 and here it is 0. So we will compare it with 100 digit 4 and 0. Out of these two, which one is greater? 4. So we'll write 4.640 greater than 5.603. So dear students, in this way you will be able to do this question. So today try this question yourself also and try the second question that we will do in the next video. Until that, what is the question? Let us read. So the question is, make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. तो इस तरह की कोई भी 5 more examples हमें लिखने हैं. We can write any of the decimal numbers like 0.7, 0.71 like this and find which is greater than. So we'll do it tomorrow. Try it yourself. Thank you. If you like my videos, dear students, share my videos, comment on my video, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, my dear students. Love you all. Thank you.